Yes, that's right, it's 6 o'clock, it's Sunday night and it's Countdown. Bringing you the biggest hits from around the world to get us off to a great start tonight from Katrina and Away.